What do we got here? Gobble, gobble. Oh, sorry, fella. Happy Thanksgiving, folks. Howdy, folks. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, it's Thanksgiving. That's right, turkey time. But you know, this year, people are staying home. Smaller crowds are gathering. Maybe you don't need that big turkey. Well, you don't have to cook a big turkey. Just cook a smaller, just turkey breast only version. That way, you can have your turkey and eat it too. Here, let me show you how I did it. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, folks, so for this year's Thanksgiving turkey, we're going to start off with, you guessed it, garlic. I'm going to cut off all the dry outer shells, get them cleaned up and ready, throw away the shells. Now we're going to trim up the garlic into thin slivers that we can later insert into the turkey breast. That's about done there. This is my turkey breast, folks. About a 4.5 pounder. Nothing big this year. Let's rinse it out, get ready for seasoning. Get it positioned into my roasting pan here. Get a nice sharp knife, make some holes, and put the slivers of garlic into the turkey breast. Trust me, folks, this works. This gets the garlic flavor all throughout the turkey. And we're about done with that. Time to finish off and season the rest of the turkey. We're going to put some oil on there that basically acts like a little bit of a glue to help the seasoning stick to the turkey. Add a little bit of sea salt and some pepper and some more garlic. It's sticking nicely to the turkey here. And we're going to add some thyme. We're going to use the thyme in place of rosemary. Sprinkle it around. Rub it down and into the turkey. Get it positioned. Add a little more salt. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 2.5 hours. I forgot to cover it up with some foil, so here we go. We're going to cover it up with some foil now. Put it back into the oven. Round one, folks. Uncover it. Let's check the temperature. It's got to be at least 160 degrees, 170 degrees it should be. But if you pull it out at 160, it'll continue cooking. Let's cover it back up. Put it back into the oven. And here we go for round two, folks. Uncover it. Check the temperature. Baste the turkey with the turkey drippings. Check the temperature again. Looks like we got something here. Baste it. Baste it. Check the temperature. And we've got a winner. Turkey is cooked. It's above 160 degrees. Like I said, it'll continue cooking to 170 if you pull it out at 160 degrees and leave it alone for 10 minutes. Beautiful, huh? All ready for the rest of the dressings, guys. We're gonna have to do something about that. There you go. Thanksgiving dinner, ready to taste. Can't wait to have some. Oh yeah, you can sure taste that garlic. Happy Thanksgiving, folks. Thanksgiving dinner. Hey Wilson, can you pass me one of them dinner rolls? Coming right up. Check that out. Talk about a hole-in-one. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.